Hello guys, I'm Brothers here and we're back with another vlog. Today is gonna be a super dope vlog. It's gonna be really sick. You guys are really gonna enjoy it. I will be going to Big Bear to the snow. So I will be showing you a lot of snow today in this video. So right now what I'm currently doing is getting ready, trying to get everything all packed up. So yeah, I will be going, but not with my brother again. I know, it sucks. I wanted to take him, but he didn't want to go. But so yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog though. It's gonna be super lit vlog. You already know Diamond Brothers vlogs are lit. So give it a thumbs up if you are ready. Guys, check out the cars. Look how they look. Snow all over. Damn. But yeah, guys, we made it here. This is our what we're riding in. And look at this. Oh, look at this one right here. It's snowing, guys. First time feeling the snow. Beautiful out here. Well, yeah, guys, let me know what you guys think. Look at this. Oh my god. That's how I'm looking right now. Just finished eating at, guess it, El Pollo Loco. But yeah, guys, I hope you guys are enjoying this vlog, snowy vlog. First time seeing snow, honestly. Let me know if you have seen snow or haven't. I'm curious to know. I'm curious if you guys ever like seen snow. But yeah, look at this. So damn smooth. Let me see. AB. love you guys. Thank you guys. I love you guys. To all my supporters that support this channel. Cold, cold, cold. Just freezing. Alright guys, so I'm gonna close out the video right here. I'm sorry I did not record when I was going home or when I got home because I was so tired, so I didn't have time for that. I just got home and like honestly like tried to pass out. But oh, and then the next morning I went to school, so I didn't have time in the morning to close it out since I woke up pretty late. So now I have the time. I'm with my brother, so now we're gonna close out the video together. So if you made it to the end, thank you guys so much. We're gonna give out some quick shout outs to my brother. To who?
Land of Cesar.
Shout out to Land of Caesar for commenting in our videos.
And Nevada, something like
Nevea.
that? Nevea.
Nevea Hernandez. And
Yeah.
who else?
Luisa.
Luisa Fernanda Ramirez, that she commented as well. And yeah guys, thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, share,
and subscribe.
and we'll see you in the next video. Peace.